Okay.
Baby, open, look.
Yeah. We're getting gifts for mommy.
Huh?
We're getting presents for mommy.
Yes.
Okay? For the baby?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I wanna dance with you now.
Wakey, wakey, baby. Happy Valentine's Day, baby. Okay.
Where do I even start? Okay, where's the decorators? Did they get you?
From 3 o'clock.
You did, babe, you did all of this? Did you sleep?
Mm-hmm.
What is the attention to the detail? Where do I start? Oh my god. Bugs. Bugs. This is so lonely. The real candles.
Oh no, the ones with the fire that stays on the fake ones. You know them one there?
You have the. No, it's real. What do you mean?
You touch a fire?
Babe,
You just touch a fire?
because I was seeing. Yeah. First of all, when Mira wakes up.
They're not all. Whoa.
When Mira?
Whoa.
When Mira gets up, she's gonna go in.
See, I get you.
Is that hers? So who wrote that?
Me.
Oh, what?
So what?
What? Wait, what? You're sneaky.
No, it makes sense. I'm gonna take it out.
Yes, you're sneaky. It's Rachel Lane for me. Okay, so all of these came separate, like.
Mm-hmm. Buy everything in separate places.
Babe. Babe. This is crazy. Babe.
Baby, I just want to let you know how much I love and appreciate you. We've been together for what, 14 years now? And I'm so happy that our love is still alive. Yeah. You're such an amazing wife. And an awesome mom to our beautiful daughter. Like, this is what I dreamed for. A life full of love and happiness. Let's continue to show the world that true love does exist. Eternal love. I love you. No way I didn't get all that. No way.
You took out the camera. I can't believe you did that. Oh, I'm a mess. And I'm extra emotional. Baby, open. Look. Look. Yes, look. 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 Daddy did it. Yes, Daddy did it for you. Yeah, look. Daddy, which one's hers?
This one, baby. This one is for Amirah.
That one's Mama's.
That one's for mommy.
Yes.
This is for Amirah. Let's open Amirah's gift.
Sit right here.
Oh yeah. What is that?
What's in it?
Wow, Mommy, what is it?
What is it?
Mommy, I want it.
What is it, baby?
Mommy,
Oh,
doll. Mommy.
it's a dog.
Whoa, Mommy.
Whoa. Whoa.
Mommy, I actually opened it, Mommy.
Open it.
Wow.
Oh yeah, Mommy, I like it.
You like it? Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Yeah, the party, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby. You like the party?
Mom, it's a party, Mommy.
It is a party. It's a Valentine party.
Whoa.
Wow. Let me take her out for you. Hang on. Opening the bow. Wait. There we go.
Mom, it's a pink. Mommy, and Santa. And Santa did the present.
No, Daddy. Not Santa. Daddy. Wow. Oh, baby. Guys, look at this. Oh.
Mommy,
me would have a smoke detector.
That's good thing. You know if I blow up good.
I'm a professional blower. I've had lots of
Blow moments.
birthdays.
Blow moments. Lots of jobs that include
Lots of jobs.
that requires blowing. What do you call that? Blow jobs?
Hey loves. So still in awe. I am just so thankful. I'm so grateful to be blessed with, you know, my family, my husband and everyone. Like, it's just amazing. And after so many years to, you know, still be appreciated and stuff like that, it's just a beautiful feeling. And I just love him so much, so much. So I just wanted to come on here and wrap up this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine special. And what I love the most is the fact that he did this not just for me but for baby girl as well. So it was like he had 2 Valentines, which was super cute. It must love Mekalukia. Love bomb. So yeah, I remember our first Valentine. We were still in high school, obviously, and I didn't even end up, did I end up getting that gift? Like, we were supposed to sneakily, like, we were sneaking around because I wasn't allowed a boyfriend, right? So we were supposed to sneakily meet up, and I was supposed to get, he got me this Valentine gift, but for whatever reason we kept missing each other. Like, we always kept missing each other until one day he was like, yo, I'm coming to your school, which he did. But then my mom ended up picking me up early that day, so I didn't get to see him. And I don't know, he's outside right now. So hi to the vlog, Hastings family. Did I get that Valentine gift in the end? I was telling him about our first Valentine, and I kept missing each other.
I think one your friends. I think we go on your friends.
But it wasn't a full gift.
No.
Because I think the chocolate them they melt off.
I think me end up with the chocolate.
Thank you so much for watching our Valentine special. Do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Remember, the more you do these things is the more that YouTube will share our content and allow us to grow, and in return help us to grow. Thank you guys so much again, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.